Hi friends, my name is Rakesh. Please subscribe my channel. I'm going to show you today how to connect mouse with a mouse to the mobile phone, right? First you need mobile phone and this OTG cable you will buy in Amazon also. This is a C-type one mobile, and you need mouse, wireless one, that's data cable. First you need mobile phone. Take the mobile phone and put in plug into the mobile phone, and after that put the cable into the OTG cable, and after that you will show the mouse. Right, you are showing, right? This one I will show you clearly. Okay, not bad, right? Obviously. Okay, nice. I will open cam scanner. Okay, let you know now you clearly showing, right? After that I will minimize this. We can minimize and we can open camera and we can pick the Iron Man, right? Okay. Flash is not there, right? Okay, on. Okay, and Hulk is down. Okay, we can use the mobile mouse with the mobile, right? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.